I assume over here again. Gonna give you a little info on some handcuffs. What's a good handcuff to carry. Alright. Start with these. Smith & Wesson model T100s. These are your basic handcuffs. A lot of people still use these. Security guards, detention officers, some patrol officers can still carry these. They got the double lock here. Alright. They're pretty heavy, but again, they're really sturdy to carry, I think. Also, for bigger guys, might pose a problem. You know, can only go so large on the cuffing dimensions. Alright. I like to carry these. These are the Model 100 made by Asp. What I like about these is they're pretty lightweight. Got a polymer type frame. The ergonomics on this is pretty cool. Slap that against somebody's wrist and it pretty much works itself around. They have the double lock on both sides where you can unlock it, and I like that feature. You know, you have a scuffle with somebody and you want to slap these on, you're not going to want to worry about, you know, what side is it on. Yeah. So, really like these. Cost about the same as the Smith & Wesson. Next are the trifolds, also made by Asp. Now I use these for backup. The suspect has to be pretty compliant to put one of these guys on. After using one of these, it's no good. You got to cut it. Come folded like this in a case. Pull this cord after you got the wrist in these, and that's it. Several keys here. Backup. On duty. This is what you should be carrying right here. I don't care if you're a security guard, detention officer, or a patrol officer. These are very difficult to use if you had to use these before. Alright. Extended key. Helps you get in there. Makes your job easier. Alright. So those are some of the handcuffs that are out there that you can purchase. Alright.